seat cover.
So today I'm going to show you how to remove your car seat cover. So first we're going to remove the head cushion. Just remove the Velcro on the back part and pull it through. And once you do that, now we're going to remove the sun shield cover. It's very easy to do. We're just going to pull from the back, which is attached with Velcro. And then we're going to take this plastic piece right here, I call it a frame, and we're going to push this in, and then we're going to pull up. Push it in, pull up. So once we detach this frame, we're going to pull this fabric through, and it comes off just like that. Now, we remove the frame from the other side. Just push it in, push this in right here, pull it up, and there you go. The next thing we're gonna do is remove the main part right here. So this actually has 4 clamps or attachments on the top part that we're gonna have to remove. So we can start from the back. So you see what a Velcro is? We're gonna fill to each side. So once we fill on this side, we're gonna fill this bulge right here, which is gonna be like the attachment. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pull it down, and then pull it up. We're gonna do the same thing for the other side. Feel for it, it's right here. Pull it down, pull it up. All right, do the same thing for the side. It's gonna be right here. I'm gonna pull it down and then pull it up. Next side, down, pull it up. All right, we got the top done. Now we're gonna take the side. There's a clamp here, right there. We're gonna pull it down, pull it up. Same thing for the other side. Clamp is there, pull it down and up. All right, last couple steps, we're going to remove the straps. Start with these straps right here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the back of it, back of our car seat, and look for this clamp right here, this metal clamp. We're gonna take each strap and pull it through the metal clamp like that. Do the same thing for the other side. Pull it through. All right. And then, once we do that, we're gonna take these straps and pull them through. Pull them through. All right, the next step is we're gonna take this lock right here, go to the bottom part of your car seat, look for this right here, this buckle. It's metal buckle. This is actually the lock part of your car seat. Turn this to the side and pull it through. All right, once we got it pulled through, pull it through the cover, and we're gonna put this to the side. And then next, we're going to take the strap again and then pull it through the actual cover.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And smash that bell notification.
Like this. All right, same with the other side. Pull the whole strap through the cover. All right, and we have removed everything attached to the cover and removed the cover from the actual car seat. And it should come off just like this. All right, now you can
Check
take
out the link below.
all your material, your washable material, and wash it. And I'll see you in a minute to reassemble.
How to reassemble car seat cover.
This is going to be very easy if you just watch the steps. It's going to be easy to do. What we're going to do is we're going to take our cover and we're just going to put it in its place, right? Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take the strap. What we're gonna do with that, we're going to pull this strap through the bottom part of the car seat. But once we pull the strap through here, we're gonna make sure that we pull in not just the strap, but also the chest clamp and then the buckle. Make sure you're pulling both of these through there as well. And then we're gonna do the same thing for the other side. Grab your strap right here, and we're gonna pull it through the slot that's on the bottom of your seat cover on the side. Not the one on the front, but the one on the side. Just have the other strap pulled through. Oh yeah, you wanna definitely make sure the straps are straight and it's not bent or, you know, tangled up. So if you have to, if they're tangled up, you wanna follow that strap to make sure you can follow it to the bottom and make sure that that's not tangled, because you wanna make sure they're straight. Now, once we do that, let's take this piece right here, which goes here, right? We're gonna pull that through the cover, and then we're gonna pull it through the actual car seat. So mine has 3 options, but I'm gonna pull mine through the first. And the way you do that, you just take this buckle or this metal piece right here, you're just gonna pull it through the car seat. You can't pull it straight like this. It won't go in like this. So you just turn it to the side, pull it through there. And as you see on the other side, this is where it ends. And so this is how it locks up, because once you pull it, it's not going anywhere, right? Now, next, what we're gonna do is take one of these straps and we're gonna pull it through the top part. We're just gonna pick the height you want based off of, you know, your baby sides. And we're going to pull it through the cover. And then we're going to pull it through the actual car seat slot, which is here. All right. While we're still making sure the strap is straight, right? Now we're gonna do the same thing for the other side. Pull it through not only the cover, but also the car seat itself. So once we do that, we're gonna have 2 straps sticking on the back side of the seat. And we're going to take this metal attachment right here and use that to secure the straps. You see how this is cut open and has an opening right here? So now we're just gonna take the strap and we're gonna pull it through this opening. One side, pull it through the opening, and then that's attached. We're gonna do the same thing for the other side. Pull it through the opening and it's attached. So that's how you do that. Easy, right? All right, so next we're going to just attach the cover on the edge of the car seat. So we're going to do the front first, or the bottom part first. And the way you do that, you just start pulling it around the edges. Pull the covers around the edges, all right? And then, once we do that on the side, you're gonna feel for this little metal clamp right here, and then attach it to the side of the car seat. Just attach it, pull it down, and it pulls in place. We're gonna do the same thing for the other side. Grab the attachment, and then pull it down, and pull it in its place right there. All right, done with that. Now, on the top part of this car seat, we have 4 attachments. One is white. Look for that white plastic attachment. We have that 4 times. 2, 3, and 4. It's quite easy. So what we're gonna do with that, we're gonna take this plastic white piece and attach it into this hole right here. Once you pull up on it, you're gonna hear a clamping sound and you'll know then it's attached. Do the same thing for the rest of the 3. You're gonna find the hole, feel
Make
for the
sure
hole.
to like, comment, and subscribe. And smash that bell notification.
Pull up on it. Do the same thing for the other one. Feel for the hole. Pull up on it. The last one. Feel for the hole. Pull up on it. Okay. So what we have to do now is to put the sun visor protector, sun protector piece back on. So we're gonna start with the frame. So the only thing I do is put this in. It's like a slot, just slide it in there and then it'll lock in place. So that's locked in place. For the other side, we're gonna do the same thing, but before we do that, we're going to slide this through here. So this is the opening right here, the front part. It's the opening right here. So we're gonna take that and place it through this frame right here. All right, so once we do that, now we can slide the frame inside or onto the attachment. So just slide it down in there and it locks in place. It's not going anywhere. So we're good on that. Last step for this is to attach the back. Look for this Velcro. This Velcro is going to attach to this Velcro. So just attach it. And now it is ready to go. As you can see, it is attached. You can hide these little tags if they're sticking out. If you have this attachment right here, which is like the head cushion,
Check out the link
straps
below.
are back here. So pull this through here for just the, pull it through just the cover, not the whole car seat. Pull it through there. See the Velcro right here? Velcro right here. I'm just gonna do that and it's good to go.
How to adjust shoulder straps.
If you wanna know how to adjust your straps, only thing I do is press down on this metal piece right here. So as you press down on it, you can pull it and readjust. So this is how you adjust the length of your straps. And then if you wanna lock that in place, you just let go. So now you have more room to pull and lock the baby into position. If you want to tighten up the straps, the only thing you got to do from there is just take this strap, this end, and pull it. Now watch how this tightens up. So that's it. So you pull it to tighten it up. If you want to loosen it up, you just press the metal piece in here, press it down, and it's loosened up. That simple. And now it's time for me to take this baby, put him in a seat, and head on out. Get him in here real nice and tight.
Check out the link below.
Nice and tight. All right, get them legs in there. All right, it's good to go.
Make sure
See
to like,
you later.
comment, and subscribe. And smash that bell notification.